Hi, Indonesia can provide different kind of switches. How can we ensure the reliability and the repeatability? Yes, this test platform can automatically test the VSWR, insertion loss, isolation, and the repeatability. The switches and tests are plugged here. The number of DUT can be extendable, and these module devices can automatically test the parameters after each click. The industrial computer helps control the whole system, and the programmable power supply provide different voltages. The control software helps to control the test process and record and further analyze the data. Thus, Ceyear can guarantee the declared specification even after 2 million switching times.